In the 𝙂12 series, the glass of the xenon headlamps have clouded over on the inside due to the evaporation of plastic. We'll show you the cleaning work using one headlamp as an example. Start by putting on thin plastic gloves, as later you'll work with a detergent. Take off the cover of the headlamps and carefully remove the bulb of the cornering light. You now have access to the headlamp. These are the parts you need: the cleaning agent, the picker, and 2 wipes with a magnetic core. Make sure that the cloths are absolutely clean, otherwise they could scratch the glass. Wet the small cloth with cleaning agent. Insert the picker into the headlamp and keep the other cloth on the outside of the glass. Now you can perform the cleaning. The results can be clearly seen. Once the headlamp is clean, gently take out the small cloth using the picker. When you've cleaned both headlamps, your work is complete.